And this is a dance that we as a tribe do every year, July 14th. And we do it and we honor San Benaventura, our patron saint, and Kateri Katekawatha, our other patron saint. But we've been doing this prior to contact, so it's one of the ceremonies that predate Christianity but have incorporated certain elements of the Catholic Church into it. For instance, there is a shrine that houses the two saints, Kateri and San Buenaventura, on the plaza that we dance in front of. This is a view from within the line itself. This would be a view of the dance, and I guess I would be the party standing behind this set of females. It goes 1 male, 3 females, 1 male, 3 females. The females wear these headpieces and they're tablitas. The tablitas have a little icon on it. In the foreground, we have one that has a plant called beeweed on it, and rain clouds second to that, and then a badger or bear paw on the one in front of that one. This is, like I had mentioned, this is the dance from within the line. So I really tried to capture the energy or the motion of all these bells clanging, all these feathers shaking, all these people in movement, kind of like this mass line or this sea of human feathers and just this kind of movement, this motion, this bounciness of all of us doing this line dance, a giant line dance is what it would be. In the front, we have a banner which is carried by a lead man, and it has a banner which has eagle feathers attached to it, and fox hanging from the top of it with a gourd and parrot feathers on top of that. This banner is kind of throughout the dance. It's at the front of the line. Within that, we have the spectators. People come to watch these dances, mostly other Indians, but people from all backgrounds and walks in life will show up on feast day. But a lot of it is the local native community from the surrounding pueblos. And I think I've kind of tried to emphasize in this the fact that we as natives are part of this culture, but part of the external culture. And I've kind of done this by incorporating the NFL jerseys on the viewers' shirts. We have Brett Favre jersey and an Oakland Raider, guy wearing the Oakland Raider shield. My personally, my favorite team, being born and raised in Berkeley, I'll always be a Raider fan. And we have the Cowboys and a football and a t-shirt, and a guy wearing the skull kind of from the Punisher Marvel Comics reference.